brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Yes, she caught my eye as I walked on by. She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I'll see her again, but we shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. There must be an angel with a smile on her face when she thought up that I should be with you. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you.
Hello, Mami. Mamimiss ko po kayo pag wala na po kayo dito. Parang nanay na po ang turing ko sa inyo nung nawala ang nanay ko. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng na itulong niyo sa akin, lahat ng naturo niyo sa akin. Love you very much. Namimiss ko po kayo.
Hi, Mare. That is how we greet each other every time we meet here in school. I will surely miss it now that you're leaving us very soon. Alam mo, sa maraming pagkakataon na ako ay naiwan ng mga taong malapit sa akin, I thought I am strong enough to handle a situation like this. Pero hindi pa pala, kasi andito pa rin yung lungkot, kirot, but when I heard your reason why you're retiring this early, I began to understand. Maybe because pareho tayo ng pananaw sa buhay when it comes to family. One good thing about our relationship is that hindi pala kailangan na lagi tayong magkasama, lagi tayong nag-uusap. Because we seldom do that. You're ahead. I am just an ordinary school teacher. You have your own circle of friends. I have mine. But given the opportunity to talk, ang dami-dami nating napapag-usapan. Every time you talk, I can feel the sincerity in your words. Ikaw yung taong hindi marunong mambola. Hindi ka plastic. No pretensions at all. You will say what you want to say. And on that point, sometimes you are misinterpreted by some. Maybe because they do not know you that much. As you leave this school, baunin mo yung taus-puso naming pasasalamat sa maraming contributions na nagawa mo dito sa ating paaralan. And personally, I want to thank you for many things. For lending me your ears, for the pieces of advice you've given me, for granting most of my requests, and for appreciating little achievements that I have. The only wish I can give you is that may God continue to bless you with everything your heart desires. Good luck as you continue your journey in life. If you need me, if you miss me, just dial my number, just call my name, and I will surely be there for you.